If you write blog posts in WordPress, sooner or later you're going to want a fast way to catch spelling and grammar mistakes before publishing. The good news is that even though WordPress does not have a built-in grammar checker, there is an easy solution that works right inside your editor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check grammar and spelling mistakes in WordPress using a browser extension like Grammarly or LanguageTool. It's simple, it's fast, and it can save you from publishing content with typos, awkward phrasing, or grammar errors. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials. All right, let's jump in. The first step is to install a browser extension. Open your web browser, whether you use Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to the extension store for that browser. In the search bar, type Grammarly or LanguageTool. These are two of the most popular tools for checking spelling and grammar as you write. Once you find the extension you want, click the button that says Add to Browser, Install, or Add Extension. Your browser may ask you to confirm the installation, so just approve it and wait a few seconds while it finishes adding the extension. After the extension is installed, the next step is to create a free account. In most cases, you can click the new extension icon near the top right of your browser toolbar. A quick sign-up window will appear, and you can follow the prompts to create your free account. This usually only takes about 30 seconds, and in many cases, you can sign in with Google or another email option. Now that the extension is ready, open your WordPress dashboard and go to the post or page you want to check. You can open a new draft, or you can edit an existing article that's already written. As soon as your text appears in the WordPress editor, the extension should begin working automatically in the background. This is one of the biggest benefits of using a browser extension instead of trying to copy and paste your content into another tool. You can keep writing directly inside WordPress while the extension checks your spelling and grammar in real time. Now look closely at your text box. You should start seeing underlines appear under certain words or phrases. Red underlines usually mean spelling mistakes, while blue or other colored underlines may indicate grammar, clarity, or style issues. You may also see a small widget or floating icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, showing you the total number of errors it found. If you want to review the corrections, simply hover your mouse cursor over any underlined word or sentence. A small suggestion card will pop up with one or more fixes. For spelling mistakes, it might show the correct word. For grammar issues, it may offer a cleaner version of the sentence or a better phrase. To apply the correction, just click the suggested option in that card. The text in your WordPress editor will update instantly. This makes it very easy to go through your content one mistake at a time and clean everything up before you publish. If you want, you can continue scanning the entire post from top to bottom, fixing each issue as you go. This is especially helpful for longer articles because it can catch mistakes you might miss during a manual proofread. It's also useful if English is not your first language, or if you just want to make your writing look more polished and professional. A helpful tip is to always do one final read-through after the extension finishes. Even the best grammar tools can miss context or suggest changes that don't fit your writing style. So after you fix the underlined mistakes, take a quick look at the full post to make sure everything sounds natural. And that's it. You now know how to check grammar and spelling mistakes in WordPress using a browser extension like Grammarly or LanguageTool. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and once it's installed, it can help you catch errors automatically every time you write. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tips, plugin walkthroughs, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.